are in the car. And as you can see, we love to pack light, because like Mother said, if you forget something, you can't just come back for it. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are on our way. We're in our campervan, not our own campervan, a campervan we've hired, and we are going to, well, we're going to Devon, but first of all we're off to see some family in Oxford. So we should have been in Bulgaria right now, but hey ho, what's better than the English weather, you know? So instead we're in the campervan and we're going down to Oxfordshire today, and then Devon for the rest of the week. So yeah, we've got Mr. Mitchell in the front, woohoo! And then Mrs. Mitchell in the campervan, and obviously my little baby boy Milo. Going to be doing lots of walking, lots of outdoor nature things, you know. What could be better? Me and Mr. Mitchell will be spending some quality time together to bond, to build our relationship, make it stronger, make it better. We can't wait. See you all soon! Go chase the waterfall, listen to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. Hello everybody! We have just reached our halfway there mark, and we have nearly made it to Oxfordshire without crashing.
We're in Oxfordshire.
Oh, we're in Oxfordshire, sorry. But we are nearly...
sorry, a bit further down.
Yeah, I thought so. We're nearly at Oxford. No, we're in Oxfordshire, but we're nearly at the campsite for the first night.
How are you feeling?
I'm so excited!
Okay, calm down, calm down.
Going on a summer holiday, we're working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on a summer holiday. No more worries for me or you. But where the sun shines brightly, we're going where the sea is blue.
So we have arrived at the campsite. I will give you a tour of the campervan later on, because I know you're all dying to see what it looks like. We've just met up with some of our family for tonight, so we're in Oxfordshire at the minute. So I'm not probably gonna vlog too much tonight, you know, don't be like nah. So we're just gonna get some food, pop it on the barbecue. Gonna be fun. I'm having a Beyond Meat burger. If you're vegetarian or vegan and you don't eat meat, Beyond Meat burger is the best thing ever. It literally tastes like meat. Check it out if you haven't. Pricey, but worth the money. Hello everybody, it is day 2 of camping. So I haven't filmed much this morning. It's currently about 11:30, I think. We've got to be off this campsite by 12. We're going to be travelling down to Devon today, and I forgot to do the tour of the campervan because last night we just sort of like chilled, saw some family that we haven't seen in ages, like a few drinks around the campfire. That wasn't actually a campfire, but you know what I mean. Yeah, just had a bit of a good old laugh. So just waiting for my mum to get back with the dog, and then I think we are gonna hit the road. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more. I will do a quick tour of the campervan now, actually, while I'm waiting. Side view is this bad boy. So basically, nice little step. Just sorry about the mess, because obviously it's all packed up ready to go. So you enter, just ignore that beeping as well. We haven't quite worked out what that's for. So this is where I sit when we travel. We've got another seat here as well, which has currently got the dog's cage on. But this all turns into a bed. This is, Fiona, that's obvious what that is, where Mr. Mitchell sits to drive. And then we turn around, we've got our little kitchen here. Then a bit more storage. We've got the double bed. And then in here, we've got the bathroom with a little sink and a shower as well. So Very nice. So yeah, that is everything. Smile, Mr. Mitchell.
Hello.
God.
What's that, Lee?
Because you're looking tanned, Father.
Thank you.
How are you that tan?
It's called being in the garden.
So we've got 2 minutes before we're meant to be off this campsite. And it's not going to happen, is it, baby? It's not going to happen. Because everybody's taking forever.
Just check everything's locked and there's no windows open.
Honestly, don't love.
There's that up there. Or...
It's just not for me.
Has there no called grab handles somewhere?
No, where's the grab handle?
Come on, backside.
Bloody hell.
Oh dear.
Hey?
Oh my god!
Jesus. My mother-in-law daughter, eh? You in?
So we're en route. I'm just having a spot of afternoon lunch whilst we're driving. Hello everybody. I look a mess. I'm absolutely shattered. I don't know how it's taken Mr. Mitchell 5.5 hours to get to where we're meant to be.
Oxford to Devon.
And we're meant to have taken 2 hours. So today has been a total day of travelling and now...
Shall I say a few words?
No.
Oh.
And now we have arrived at the campsite and Mum is telling the warden the life story. So today is just going to be a day of probably going to sleep soon.
No, we're going to have dinner. We're going to do a barbecue.
Day 2 of the barbecue. I have no energy right now. So I need to recharge because it's been a very hectic day for me. And
And
hopefully,
hectic for me, I've been driving all the time.
and hopefully tomorrow will be more interesting. So yeah.
Bye.
Ciao! Baby! You enjoying your first holiday? Oh, no. Obviously not. And here's Mr. Mitchell cooking.
Thank you. Hello.
Cooking us some... Christ.
Surprise, surprise, I'm doing a barbie.
Let's see what you're cooking
Now,
today.
this is for vegetarians. I think this is called veggie...
What have you done to that, mate?
What do you mean, mate? I'm not your mate.
What have you done to that burger?
There's nothing wrong with it.
It didn't look like that when I gave it to you.
Well, that's the way it is at the moment. I've done my best.
Smile!
Excuse me, I'm chopping.
Yeah. Welcome to Cooking with Richard. For all your favourite tasty recipes, give this video a big thumbs up. Woohoo! Yeah, right. So basically, welcome to trying new foods with Fiona. We have got the potato salad. Potato salad. So, I don't know how I feel about that. The dog is here. So we're about to go for a walk, and I just thought I'd show you all our new rucksack for Milo. So he sits in here, and we go for a walk. So suited and booted, and we're off for a walk. Oh look, campavan in the back. Yeah, Milo's coming, and we are off for a little trek for the first night. Now we've regained energy after our barbecue. Hello everybody. It is day 3 of camping and we are heading to Torquay today.
Hello.
So it's currently about 11 o'clock. We're going to set off, get to Torquay, have a mope around, have a look around, see what's going on, and then we're going to Thurston, something like that. And we're gonna go for a walk there, lots of walking, and might dip my feet in the sea. And then we're gonna head for a meal later. So I will tune in a bit. Milo's just enjoying his dentist steak. How lovely. So yeah. Milo, get out of my bag now.
You're not doing it, you're saying that. You just need to distract him with that ball.
Hello. At the beautiful beach, and it is pouring it down. So, only one thing to do, get the swimming gear on and head to the ocean. Right, I don't know if you can see, but Mr. Mitchell is daring for a swim in this weather. Yes, that, wait, I can't get it again. that right there is Mr. Mitchell, everybody. You thought he had no guts. Well, look at him now as he takes on the Atlantic Ocean. All right, love. Come on, Mr. Mitchell. Get yourself in there. Oh, he's going for it. Are you? Yeah, all right. Come on, Mr. Mitchell. Oh! And he's gone. We are back at the campsite and now we are going to go for a walk to the pub where we're going to be having tea tonight. There's Mr. Mitchell with the poochie. And Richard has got his finest shirt on this evening. Woo! For all the ladies.
No, it's not.
Richard! Just walking down the canal. Hello everybody, we've just finished our meal and Mr. Mitchell is a little bit tipsy after one glass of wine.
No, I've had 3.
So I'm going to be taking him home now because he has mentioned a few times that he wants to go into the town and have a good rumble tumble around. But we've had to drag him back. So that's him there. Look, oh, throwing up nearly.
No, I'm not.
Honestly. You can take the Richard out of Doncaster, but you can't take the Doncaster out of Richard. Unbelievable if you ask me. And everybody asks me where I get it from, eh? We're just going to go back to the camper van. Get ourselves ready for bed. Hit the sack. Richard, straight line, please. Straight line. Mind this mess, but I actually have forgotten to film today. Sorry. But all we've done is basically travel from the last campsite down to here, which should have probably taken about 3 hours, but it's took us the whole day. So yeah, we're now in Northamptonshire at the final campsite before we head home. So yeah, adults only. I'll show you the view. Amazing.
Wow.
Richard. Welcome to Exploring with Richard. Hit the subscribe if you want to see more. Jesus. Bringing me a look. My baby's been digging a hole and he looks like a miner. Have you been in the pits, darling?
Look at his body.
You're filthy. Oh, it's disgusting.
Hello everybody. I haven't really filmed yesterday. I'm such an awful vlogger. Just my dog under attack. But we are leaving campsite number 3. We are leaving campsite number 3 and today we are heading home. And it's going to be the best weather today. So is that just our luck? I think that's just our luck. So yeah, sorry about the lack of content really. I've let myself down. Harder than I thought this was a login malarkey. Yeah, I will end it here and see you next time. Thumbs up, subscribe, or 10 years bad luck. Bye.